Tanodd is more than a factory. We are your partners in creating customized and eco-friendly outdoor products, such as camping hammocks, outdoor blankets, picnic blankets, and beach towels. You can choose the size, color, material, logo, and packaging of your products, and we also use recycled and sustainable materials to make them for you. We have over 10 years of experience in the outdoor industry, and we know the challenges and opportunities in this market. We know that no one can do it all, and that you need a reliable and flexible supplier who can meet your needs and preferences. That's why we offer you a complete and personalized service. We can help you design your products, solve your problems, find the best manufacturing factory, and ensure the quality of your products. We respect your budget and your trust. We don't offer the cheapest price, but we offer the best value. We don't cheat you, but we guarantee your satisfaction.